Tony takes a little broom, cleaning up the living room. Sweep, sweep on the floor, helping more and more. Happy start to bloom, helping more and more. Happy smiles start to bloom. Toys were scattered everywhere. Tony puts them with great care. Boxes full and neat, cleaning is a treat. Kitchen time with Mom today. Tony helps in every way. Veggies on the tray, helping while they play. Veggies on the tray, cooking along the way. Plants are thirsty in the sun. Tony waters everyone. Drip, drop, watering can, helping as he can. Garden work is lots of fun. Dad brings groceries from the store. Tony helps him at the door. Small bag in his hand, helping as he planned. Family smiles more and more. Dinner table set just right. Tony helps prepare. Family meal to share. Everything in bright. Soap and water bubble bright. Tony washes hands just right. Clean and shiny hands. Following good plans, shining light. Clothes are folded nice and neat. Tony helps with little feet. Stacking shirts so small, helping one and all. Laundry done is such a treat. Trash goes to the bin outside. Tony walks with helpful pride. Clean home all around. Happy hearts are found. Helping hands we cannot hide. Mom and Dad give hugs so tight. Tony help with all his might.